Now, quickly cutting across to the BJP-Congress fight over buses for migrants now has escalated. The Congress has now claimed that Yogi government's buses for quota students were registered as three-wheelers and two-wheelers. This is the reaction coming in from the Congress party now, who were earlier accused of adding in two-wheelers, three-wheelers into the bus list. Now, Congress saying what the BJP did in Kota while evacuating students from Kota, many of those vehicles were registered under two-wheelers and three-wheelers. The pictures on your screen is of the list released by the Congress government. The accusation coming in here, the Congress party saying that the list of those buses that was given to the Rajasthan government had many two-wheelers and three-wheelers, which buses were sent to the UP government. In fact, many of those discrepancies were highlighted then itself, but now it seems like it's coming as a counter-allegation right after the UP government has blamed the Congress of discrepancies in the bus list. Now, the counter from Congress comes days after UP government accused Priyanka Gandhi of sending buses that were registered as bikes and autos to help stranded migrants. Congress hitting back.
रवैया रहा, उसको दुनिया और देश ने देखा है, उसके हम भर्त्सना करते हैं। इस समय में सबको साथ मिलकर एकजुटता के साथ उन लाखों करोड़ों लोगों की मदद करने का काम करना चाहिए था, जिसकी पहल प्रियंका जी ने करी, लेकिन दुर्भाग्यवश उसको नकारा गया, उस पर राजनीति करी गई, हम पर आरोप लगाए गए। और मैंने पहली बार देखा है विपक्ष आरोप लगाए सत्ताधारी पार्टी पर, तो हमने देखा है, लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश में सत्ताधारी पार्टी विपक्ष पर आरोप लगा रही है। और किस बात का आरोप? लोगों की मदद करने का आरोप, कि जब कांग्रेस पार्टी ने पहल कर बसों का इंतजाम कर दिया, यूपी की सरकार तिलमिला गई और बहाने ढूंढकर जो निर्मम काम किया वो अब पूरी तरह एक्सपोज हो चुकी है। सारे दस्तावेज हमारे पास हैं, आंकड़े हमारे पास हैं, और ये आज इसलिए आपके बीच में आना जरूरी पड़ा क्योंकि एक तो वो गलत काम कर रहे हैं, ऊपर से सीना जोड़ी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने तिलमिला के इस प्रकार का व्यवहार किया, नेताओं को जेल में डाल दिया, केस दर्ज कर दिए, पुलिस खड़ी कर दी, गतिरोध पैदा कर दिया। ये इस संकीर्ण सोच का परिचय है।
जो उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार की यूपी रोडवेज की बसें कोटा में छात्रों को लेने आई थी, जो यहाँ रोडवेज की बस आई, रिकॉर्ड में वो थ्री व्हीलर दर्ज है। ये रही बस नंबर यूपी 8587-590, ये बस आई है, टोल गेट पे इसका फोटो है, कोटा में रिकॉर्ड है, और ये बोलते हैं थ्री व्हीलर। 6-7 बसों का रिकॉर्ड तो आज है कि जो बसें मौजूद यहाँ आई थी, और अब अगर आप वेबसाइट पे चेक करेंगे तो उसमें थ्री व्हीलर दिखा रहे।
Let's quickly go over to Devankur joining us from Jaipur for more details. Devankur, we are looking at the Congress very promptly coming out to condemn the BJP over the list that they found faulty. Now, Congress party saying even when UP government sent buses to evacuate students from Kota, that list also had discrepancies. Many two-wheelers, three-wheelers were added on into that list, but at that time they didn't raise the concern and make it an issue. But here is the BJP government trying to make an issue out of nothing. We have Sachin Pilot coming forward to speak and condemn the BJP via a formal, full-fledged press conference, showing those photos of the list also of the buses that were sent to Kota which had discrepancies. Please do indulge in more details.
Well, Nabila, if you look at the entire situation, a Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister came out and held this proper full-fledged press conference after a long time. Initially, several Congress leaders during this Corona era had been holding press conferences through video conference. But such was the gravity of the situation that the Congress decided to hold this press conference at the Pradesh Congress Committee office in Jaipur, and no less than the Deputy Chief Minister himself, the Transport Minister of Rajasthan, Zubair Khan, who is the Congress in charge or the Prabhari for Uttar Pradesh, were present at this press conference. And there were several points that were brought in to hit hard at the Uttar Pradesh government by the Congress. What the Congress mentioned was that the BJP is trying to make a mountain of a molehill when it says that there were several autos or scooters or scooties in the list of buses that was given by the Congress to the Yogi Adityanath government for ferrying migrants. To take home this point, what the Congress has done is bring out a list of the buses that were brought from Uttar Pradesh to take students from Kota. The Congress has mentioned that even that list had several discrepancies, and it has blamed computer-generated errors on for that. It has mentioned that even in that list there were several scooters or trucks, the list which was meant for buses, and it got that cross-checked from the list of the RTOs or from online list. Secondly, what the Congress has mentioned, Nabila, is that the UP government is saying that money was asked, or the BJP is saying that money was asked for ferrying students from Kota to Uttar Pradesh. It mentions that the Rajasthan government only asked for money for diesel, and this was pre-decided and agreed upon by Uttar Pradesh government. So clearly the Congress is now trying to ensure that the migrants issue does not die down, and it believes that it has a moral high ground on the issue, that it ensured that 1,000
very adequately hitting out right after the BJP came forward to condemn the Congress on the list that they provided. Now the Congress showing another list that BJP had faltered upon. Of course, here this situation itself turning ugly. Dev, thank you very much for joining us. Now,
hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.